Watermelon is a fruit popularly known for its high percentage of water, about 92%, and also contains a healthy amount of essential nutrients such as vitamins A and C, potassium, and magnesium. Just like the fruit, the peels are also loaded with amazing benefits that are great for the body and completely edible. Watermelon peels can help lower blood pressure and sugar levels. Lower your blood pressure. Watermelon peels contain a powerful compound called citrulline, which helps control and reduce blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. Watermelon is also a potential diuretic, often prescribed for people with high blood pressure to help dilate your blood vessels and improve circulation. Lower your blood sugar levels. The peels of watermelon can help reduce your blood sugar levels due to its high source of fiber. A diet filled with fiber has a whole lot of benefits, which include helping maintain regular bowel movements, helping lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels, and can also help to maintain and achieve a healthy weight because of its ability to keep you filled up faster. You can enjoy these amazing benefits by eating them raw after washing them thoroughly and sliced, or you can grind their peels to make a healthy smoothie.